Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prevent screenshots on Microsoft. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here, we will be needing to start using the Microsoft information protection. And first, you will need to set it up and configure the MIP so you can be able to prevent the capture. So as you can see, you can use Microsoft's information protection to block screenshots on Windows device for some special apps. By not granting the copy usage rights and rights management can prevent screen captures from many of the commonly used screen capture tools on Windows platform. That means we would need just to enable the MIP on the Microsoft's organization, and basically you will be able to prevent screenshots. So first you will need like to have uh, a Microsoft subscription, and those are the ones that would be allowed or the ones that you will have. So there is this enterprise mobility and security, and there is this E3 or E5, which basically depends on the thing that you would like or anything. Now, after that, you will need to configure your client's workstation. So basically, now you will need just to go, depends on the OS that you are using. If you are using like Windows 10, you will need just to use in Windows Update your machine to Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. And this is the version that you would need. And after that, you will be needing to go to the Windows icon to the lower left, which is this one, and then go to About Your PC and see the Windows specification. And basically, after that, you will need to have like the Visual Studio, and then you will need just to install all the elements that you will need. So you will need just the desktop development, Universal Windows Platform development, etc. And then you will need like to have the PowerShell module so you can add the download files or so you can get the MIP into it. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.